Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make semi-homemade snacks. You will love it and your kids will love it too. Let's get started. Oh, before that, I would love to give a huge shout out to my friend Talisha from Frugal to Freedom channel. She's a wonderful person. You will learn a lot from her channel about frugality. Now, coming back to our recipe. Here I have taken 3 kinds of cereal. You can take any cereal of your choice that is not sweetened. And I'm taking all the cereal into a huge aluminum trays because I'm making a huge batch of it. This video was taken just before we mowed. This snack was readily available to us during our travel. Now I have taken around 1 cup of oil in the frying pan. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds into the pan. Once the mustard seeds splatter, then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. This snack is very healthy. You will love it. And to this I have added around 3 cups of peanuts. These are raw peanuts. I have added 3 cups of peanuts. Make sure you're frying it on a low flame so the peanuts cook well and they become completely fried. Once the peanuts are fried, you can see here it's turning a little brown. Now I have added red chilies. This is optional, but the one thing that I would say that you have to add is the garlic powder. This gives a great flavor. If you don't have garlic powder, please use fresh garlic. That is even better. Make sure you fry it to golden brown in color. Next is our favorite curry leaf. The more the merrier. You can add as much as curry leaves as you want. This gives a wonderful layer of flavor to our cereal snack. That's what our family calls it. After the curry leaves are fried, I'm adding turmeric. This gives a beautiful color and another layer of flavor, and it's really good for health. I'm adding around 2 to 3 teaspoons of turmeric here. You can add less or more. I add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of turmeric. Once you finish frying these things, next is the turn for chili powder. This step is optional. You can add chili powder or you can omit chili powder. Our family likes it fairly spicy, so I have added 2 teaspoons of chili powder because our kids also will be eating the snack. And this snack is so helpful. You have a bowl of the cereal snack with a cup of chai or milk for kids, and this keeps you full until lunchtime, or even for snack it's great with a cup of coffee or tea. Now I have added salt. I'm adding here around 3 teaspoons of salt because I'm making a huge batch of it. You can add less or more. At this point, I have turned off the stove. The heat is still going even though the stove is turned off. And once everything is mixed well, I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is again optional. It gives a good taste, like it balances out the salt and spiciness. And this is how I have divided the fried peanuts into 2 trays. You can see my daughters trying to grab some cereal out of the tray and keep eating them. And now I have mixed all the cereal snack, and this is how it looks. This stays fresh for nearly 2 months in airtight containers. We really enjoyed it on the road. Instead of buying snacks, this is a very healthy option. Thanks for watching.